In this video, I'm going to show you how to get an Apollo Pharmacy gift card online. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is open up a web browser and head on over to Amazon. Once you're here, type in the search Apollo Pharmacy gift card and then go ahead and hit enter. And now from here, on the results, look for Apollo Pharmacy gift card. So here it is here. And now from here we can select the style for your gift card. So we got, looks like this, or if you want that on there or that one. So choose which one. I'm going to choose the first option here and then enter your gift card details. So choose your amount from 250, 500, 1000. Put in the recipient's email address. This is required so you can add up the 10 recipients. Each recipient will receive their own personalized gift card from your name and gift message, and then choose the quantity. And then from there, go ahead and click on buy now.